How to create an NFT website for free. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own NFT collection website for free. So let's get started. When it comes to creating your own NFT website, it is an important part of our NFT collection because when we launch any NFT collection, we need a website for it as well, for its marketing, for its promotion, and for its launch. So when it comes to creating a website for NFT marketplaces, well, it's not very complicated websites that we go for because we don't want to complicate things. We just create very simple website with our NFTs with information about the NFTs, and that's it. So if I show you some of the NFT websites, you can see right here, this is the website for CryptoPunks, one of the largest NFT collections out there. And you can see the website is very simple. It has a simple text and simple images of the collection information, and that's it. So that's what we need to do. We don't have to complicate things. We just need to get information about our NFT, and you can see right here, that's it. It's a very simple looking website. Similarly, if we go to Cool Cats, then we have World of Women. So you can add different animations and of course customize your website. So that's what I will show you today, that how you can also create a website for your NFT collection in order to promote your collection and to make it worth. So let's get started with the platforms. So when it comes to creating our website, I have two platforms for you. The first one is going to be Wix.com. Wix allows you to create a website for free, and it has different features and tools for us to create a very professional website. So it doesn't matter that you actually have to go, as I said earlier, we just need a platform that allows us to create a good website. So we can use any platform. So I will show you how you can do it on Wix.com, and then of course we have WordPress. So this is my WordPress. You simply get to your WordPress, and then you can also create a website right here. You can access WordPress for free with pantheinsite.io, and you can simply then create a brand new website. So when it comes to working on WordPress, why I prefer creating a website for NFT on WordPress, because WordPress has a lot of plugins and it allows you to create a very interactive website. So you can get started with WordPress. Simply open up your dashboard. For your website, simply create a simple website with any of the themes. You can just select any theme. If I show you, there are different themes available, very simple ones, and we can actually select from all of these different very simple themes, and you can see these themes are actually giving you the look of this website right here. You can see this is a very basic website, and if we just follow this one, like this is one of the biggest collection out there, and this is their website. We can actually create way more interactive website than this one as well. So you can go to WordPress and you can see it has a simple themes, and you simply select a theme and then you get started with a website. Another thing that we will be doing is we will simply go to plugins. Once we have a website, this is our dashboard, right? So if I go to plugins and go to add new, then this is what I want to show you guys, that we can add a lot of different plugins to our WordPress. So we simply search for, let's just search for NFT, right? And we will be able to add all of these different plugins, such as we have an NFT maker. So this is for to sell an entire NFT collection. We can do that with a website by adding this plugin. Then we have create and interact with smart contract in your website. So we can do this by adding the plugin. Then we have this, the easiest way to sell your content to NFT marketplaces. So we can convert and add our media to our website with this one, and you can see it has a 5-star review. Then we have NFT gallery. So this is really important. The simplest way to add NFTs from OpenSea to WordPress site. This is actually the plugin that I will be going for, because it will allow me to add my NFTs from my OpenSea, where I have actually created my NFT collection. I will be able to drive the NFTs from there to my WordPress website very easily with this one. Then we have NFT login, we have OpenSea, then we have WordPress filter gallery, we have tokens and blockchains, we have Ethereum wallet. So we can actually add the option of Ethereum wallet to our website, because this is also an option that we add. You can see this connect option. Even on this website, you will actually find the option of, you can see Ethereum is available. You can simply add your MetaMask. Even with this website, you can see we can actually add our MetaMask and get started. So that's what we can do as well. So we can create a very professional website with WordPress. So that is why I am telling you about WordPress, and we can simply add any of the plugins. So I'm going to click on install now for this one. This one has 5-star reviews, and I will simply click on activate. Once we click on activate, and this plugin will be added to my WordPress website. Creating a website on WordPress is really easy, and that's another thing. How to get started as a complete beginner? Well, it's a very easy, simple, adding elements to your website, simple drag and drop, and we can actually then customize our website. So right now I am into my plugins. I have added a lot of plugins to my website, and there it is. So you can see this is NFT gallery, and it will also be here. It should be. So you can see this is my NFT plugin that I have added to my website now. And there you go. Now, what we do is we simply enter our OpenSea API key for my collection, right? We simply add it right here. Then we have the collection. If you are the owner, then you're going to select this option. Then we have to add our wallet address, gallery style, what kind of style you want to go for your gallery that will be shown. So you can see they have this gallery right here. CryptoPunks, you can see this is kind of like a gallery. Then they have this right here, which is like a pretty huge view of their collection. Similarly, if we go to this collection, you can see this is a gallery. They have added these NFTs directly from OpenSea, and that's what we will be doing too. So you can select a grid view or a photography and then specify the number of NFTs you want to show. So we can maybe show up to 20 NFTs on our website, and that's how you simply add NFTs to your website. Simply click on save settings and it will be saved. So when you're working on WordPress, this is how you will simply create an NFT website, and that's how we simply work. Similarly, on Wix, you will simply create a website. So this is like a portfolio website, but you can see this is a gallery, and I can simply go to add. In add, instead of adding simple gallery images, I will add my NFTs right here. But again, as I mentioned, with the plugins on WordPress, this website will be more interactive. But if you're looking for a very simple website, then you can go with wix.com, squarespace.com, and there are other options available too. So I'm giving you a lot of different options. These are going to be completely free, and you can create your own professional NFT website right now. Start selling your NFTs, grow your business, and get rich. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.